Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change username on Likee. First of all, launch open Likee application. You can see over here Likee application has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to change your username, it is actually very simple. You'll have to go to the profile interface. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You can see your profile picture, name and user ID over here. So in order to change the username, tap on this option edit that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit the profile informations over here. You'll be able to change the name, Likee ID, bio, birth, etc. So if you want to change the username, you'll have to change the Likee ID. So tap on the field of Likee ID. Now you'll be able to set the new Likee ID over here. So what you have to do is enter the Likee ID of your choice. Be very careful while you're entering the Likee ID because it can only be modified once in 365 days. Now after you enter it, tap on this option confirm that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here your Likee ID has been changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the Likee ID or username. So that is how you change username on Likee. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.